Hello everyone, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of haloalkanes. In haloalkanes, the bond between carbon and halogen atom polar in nature due to the electronegativity difference of the carbon and halogen atom. So the alkyl halides are highly reactive classes of organic compounds. By using of these alkyl halides, we can prepare many useful organic compounds like alcohols, ethers, amines, cyanides, esters, etc. We can prepare by using of these alkyl halides. The chemical properties of alkyl halides broadly classified into four types. First one is nucleophilic substitution reactions, and second one is elimination reactions. Third one reaction with metals, and last one reduction reactions. Let's move on to nucleophilic substitution reactions. In alkyl halides, due to the electronegativity difference of the carbon and halogen atom having partially negative charge and carbon having partially positive charge, electronegativity of halogen atom is greater than carbon atom. Due to this electronegativity difference, partial positive charge develops on carbon atom and partial negative charge develops on halogen atom. Positively charged carbon atom is favored to attack the nucleophile. Positive charge where nucleophile attack. Partially positively charged carbon atom where nucleophile attacks. What about this halogen atom? Electronegative halogen atom which makes polarizes carbon halogen bond. Due to the electronegativity difference of the halogen atom, the bond between carbon and halogen highly polar in nature. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, due to the presence of partial positive charge of carbon atom, the nucleophile attacking on positive center when the nucleophile is stronger than halide ion displaced by pair of electron by heterolytic cleavage, and the nucleophile bond formed with a partially positively charged carbon atom to form substitution product. Here halide ions are substituted. So the general equation is alkyl halide react with a nucleophile to form plus X minus. This is a halide ion. Halide ion. What about this substitution product? Substitution product. Or single bond X. What is this? Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are react with a nucleophile to form RNU plus X minus will form. Let's take an example for this reaction. Methyl bromide is reacting with OH minus nucleophile to form methyl alcohol plus Br minus will form. In this reaction, alkyl group is called substrate and halogen atom is called leaving group. This is a nucleophile. Halogen atom is called leaving group. OH minus is a nucleophile which is stronger than halogen atom, and this methyl group means alkyl groups are called substrate. The reaction of nucleophilic substitution reaction majorly depend on the tendency of leaving group. Better the leaving group, more will be the SN reaction, means nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here Br minus is a leaving group which departs with a pair of electron by heterolytic bond cleavage to form halide ion, and the new bond formed with a carbocation by OH group means new nucleophile which is stronger than halogen atom. In alkyl halides, carbon atom directly bond forms with the halogen atoms. So the tendency of leaving of halide ions or halogen atoms is I minus greater than, Br minus greater than, Cl minus greater than, F minus. This is the leaving ability of halide ions. Leaving ability of halide ions. The leaving ability is inversely proportional to the basic character. Leaving ability inversely proportional to the basic character. Means weak bases are good leaving group according to this condition. Weak bases are good leaving group. Write that point also here. Weak bases are good leaving groups. Weak bases are good leaving groups. When hydrogen halides, hydrogen iodide, the bond length is highest in there. I am writing here hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen chloride. When these are react with the nucleophile to form R single bond I, R single bond Br, R single bond Cl, R single bond F, R single bond Ne2 plus X minus will form. The tendency of leaving group down the group decreases because the acidic character of hydrogen halides depend on the bond dissociation enthalpy. Hydrogen fluoride to hydrogen iodide bond length gradually increases. Due to the increasing of bond length, we can break that bond easily. The bond dissociation enthalpies are decreases. Hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. In this direction, bond length increases. Means hydrogen fluoride is lesser than, hydrogen chloride is lesser than, hydrogen bromide is lesser than hydrogen iodide in bond length order. When bond length increases, the bond dissociation enthalpies are decreases. As the bond length increases, bond dissociation enthalpies are decreases. Now the bond dissociation enthalpy of hydrogen fluoride is more, and bond dissociation enthalpy of hydrogen iodide is less. What is this? Bond dissociation enthalpy. Now this bond we can break easily, and it ionizes H plus and I minus. It is producing H plus ions easily, which it is a strong acid. Hydroiodic acid is a strong acid. Now strong acid can produce the weak conjugate base. Weak conjugate base. Now iodide ion is the weakest conjugate base. But if you have hydrogen fluoride, due to the highest bond dissociation enthalpy, it would not give easily protons. It required more amount of energy to get H plus and F minus. It is also producing H plus ion, but it required more amount of energy to break the bond between hydrogen and fluorine. That's why these are weak acids. So weak acid can producing strongest conjugate base. Now F minus is strong conjugate base. Now the basic order is I minus is less than, because it is weakest base. Weakest base, it is coming from the strong acid. I minus is lesser than, Br minus is lesser than, Cl minus is lesser than, F minus. This is the basic order. Now leaving tendency, weak bases are good leaving group. Which is weak base here? I minus. This is the basic order, basic strength order. Basic strength order I minus means iodide is lesser than Br minus, Br minus lesser than Cl minus, Cl minus lesser than F minus. Now which is weak base here? Iodide. So which is good leaving group? Weak base. Weak base means I minus is greater than, Br minus is greater than, Cl minus is greater than F minus. This is the leaving ability of iodide and bromide, chloride and fluoride. Okay. Now the leaving ability inversely proportional to the basic character. Already we have discussed there. Leaving ability is inversely proportional to the basic character. So I minus is weakest conjugate base. So it is a good leaving group. F minus is the strongest conjugate base. it is a weak leaving group. This is a best leaving group. Whatever is poor leaving group, we have mentioned the poor leaving group. Now the reactivity or the chemical reactivity of alkyl halides. Chemical reactivity of alkyl halides depend on the polarity of the carbon and halogen bond. As the polarity increases between carbon and halogen, reactivity also increases. R single bond F is greater than R single bond C is greater than R single bond B, R is greater than R single bond I. In this direction, electronegativity difference increases. Electronegativity difference increases automatically. Polarity of the bond also increases. Now the polarity of the bond is directly proportional to the reactivity. Now in halogen atom, fluorine 4.0, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. What are the electronegativity values? What about carbon? 2.5. In alkyl halide, halogen atoms are directly linked to the carbon atom. Carbon atom having 2.5 electronegativity values. Fluorine 4.0, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. In this direction, the electronegativity difference of the carbon and halogen decreases. In this direction, electronegativity difference increases. So the reactivity increases, polarity also increases. But the actual order of the reactivity of alkyl halides is depend on the bond dissociation enthalpy. As the bond dissociation enthalpy decreases, reactivity of that alkyl halides increases. Bond dissociation enthalpy is inversely proportional to the bond length. BL is bond length. As the bond length increases, bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. Both are inversely proportional. So according to this order, bond dissociation enthalpy least goes to the alkyl iodide. So R single bond I is lesser than R single bond Br is lesser than R single bond Cl is lesser than R single bond A. This is the bond dissociation enthalpy. Alkyl iodide, we can break the bond easily due to the largest bond. So weakest bond dissociation enthalpy. So reactivity of this alkyl halides Ri. You can break this bond easily when it is highly reactive. So alkyl iodides are greater than alkyl bromides is greater than alkyl chlorides is greater than alkyl fluoride. This is the actual order of reactivity of alkyl halides. Okay, it is depend on the bond dissociation enthalpy. As the bond dissociation enthalpy decreases, chemical reactivity of that compound increases.